Hello friends, welcome to All Tech Solution. Today now show you bought earphone I purchased on Flipkart. Let's open it. Packing is very good. Now, see, I purchased in blue color. That is amazing packing. Bought company give many ear plug. This is the earphone. See, the look is very good. Here the mic and push button. The ear plug pin is awesome. So the company gives extra earbud 10 piece and these of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. It's very nice. The bot company gives extra earbud and the sound is awesome. Let's hear it. Now the sound quality is very good in 500 rupees earphone. Let's show. I have already Sennheiser CX180. If your earphone budget 100 rupees, so I suggest the Sennheiser CX180 is the best earphone in 1000 rupees. Or if your budget is 500 rupees, so I suggest the bot earphone is the best in 500 rupees. Thank you for watching my channel. Like, subscribe and comment.